main purpose of our immune system is to protect our body from virus and bacteria. Without immunity, one can fall sick constantly. Let us see some tips to increase our immunity at home. Yes, it is an ingredient from our kitchen, turmeric. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, which modulates the immune system. Anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help in ease inflammation and pain as well. A drink made by turmeric will boost your immune system. Let us see how to do it. Well, you require turmeric powder, 1 lemon, honey is optional. Boil a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Bring it to 3/4 cup. Let it cool down. Don't allow to cool down completely. Let it be warm. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can add honey for taste. Honey also good for health. And drink it once per day. You can have it twice, but it depends on how it suits for you. It may increase heat in your body and end with something else. Secondly, it's a ginger, garlic and cinnamon tea. Antimicrobial compounds in ginger and garlic help in treating infectious diseases. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in the cinnamon helps to lower risk of disease. Let us see how to prepare tea from ginger, garlic and cinnamon. Ingredients are 4 fresh garlic cloves chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger grated, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 cups of water, juice of 1 lemon, full lemon, and then 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of mint leaves chopped. Let us see how to prepare. Add chopped garlic, grated ginger, cinnamon to 4 cups of water and boil for 30 minutes in low flame, covering the vessel. Then strain and pour into the glass. Add lemon juice and honey. Drink when it is warm. Consume this drink once per day to boost your immunity. Next one is hand mudra, that is Prana Mudra. You don't need any ingredient for this. Your fingertips are more than anything to boost your immune system. Yes, by doing Prana Mudra for 30 minutes, one can improve immunity. There are 10 types of Vayu exist in our body. In them, Pranavayu is very important because it is breath itself. So, Prana Mudra is very important. This mudra starts the flow of vital energy in our body as if life dynamo has been started. While practicing this mudra, if you meditate, the whole body feels the vibration. Practicing this mudra makes a person mentally and physically strong. It helps to come out of extreme tiredness resulting from mental or physical exertion or illness. Prana Mudra helps to remove any kind of deficiency of vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K. All vitamins are provided by this mudra. So, if you practice this mudra for 30 minutes, your immunity will boost up. Next one is Prathvi Mudra. Prathvi means earth, is a vital component of bodily tissues like bones, cartilage, skin, hair, nails, muscles, tendons and internal organs. This element builds and invigorates the tissues and increases vitality, strength and endurance. Prathvi Mudra helps to come out of weakness. It helps the body to observe the vitamins like A, B, C, D, E and K from food. So, if you practice this mudra for 30 minutes, your immunity will improve. Some of the vegetables which boost up our immunity are lemon, amla, that is Indian gooseberry, ginger, mint, carrot, garlic. Use these vegetables regularly and improve immunity. Thank you.